Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the GA Home Favor Stainless Steel Steamer Basket. This is the stainless steel steamer basket. It has a 7-inch diameter when folded up and a 3.5-inch height. The plastic handle on top is extendable an additional 1.5 inches. The leaves of the basket open up to a width of 11 inches. On the bottom are 3 fold-out legs that allow up to 1.5 inches of water underneath the basket. The feet have rubber silicone pads on them so they won't scratch your non-stick cookware. The plastic piece in the middle is hard plastic though, like the handle, and not made of silicone. The steamer basket is lightweight, and the handle lets you remove it from your pots and pans easily. Let's try it out in my non-stick flat-bottomed wok. After adding a cup of water, I can place the steamer into the pan and put some pork buns on it to be steamed. So there they are steaming away. The perforations allow the food to be steamed on all sides. Although the handle is made of plastic, you'll still want to use gloves when lifting it out of the hot pan, as the surfaces can get as hot as the steam itself and could burn you. After a minute of cooling down though, it's safe to the touch. None of the plastic seems to have been affected by the heat, and your food only comes in contact with the steel parts of the basket. The food also releases easily and doesn't stick to the metal. Overall, the steamer basket is easy and convenient to use, and it stores compactly. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.